Yes, hello and welcome to another vlog from Ben Rider. 7-inch TFT screen extra display for your bike. They actually put in a new mount, which is right here, as you can see, and that is similar to a BMW mount, but you can also use it now on regular bikes. So you have like a quick disconnect system, which is very easy to use. We have two separate mounting methods we can do. I will explain that to you later on, but first let's program this sucker and let's go out for a ride here. So we have two separate cables here for the connection to the power. One is actually a very long cable which is in the box, which you can put all the way to the battery. And the other one is also still a very long cable, which I don't really like, but okay, for your USB. And I will put it in here. And this is the main screen, basically from Carpuride, where you can select like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and so on. But it will automatically switch to the last app, basically, which you use. For me, it was TomTom Rider. And here we go. You just select it. And as you can see, touch sensitive also with your gloves. You can also make calls if you have a Bluetooth connection in your helmet, like a headset. You can make calls with it, you can receive calls, all these things. And yeah, it is actually waterproof and you can ride through the rain with it. Of course, the connection and how it is connected and how well it is connected also depends, of course, on where your phone is actually located. Mine is in the backpack now, on top, although maybe not the ideal position. Let's go here a little bit through the city or through the town, and then we go outside of the city a little bit, and you can see how it works. This is, as I said, this is TomTom. We also can actually connect Google Maps and Waze. All of these three, I don't know, there might be some others, but these three are definitely supported and supported by Android Auto. Whatever is supported by Android Auto, you can do with this one here. Yeah, the screen is bright. It has 1000 nits brightness. It's auto adjustable. It automatically adjusts to the brightness. You can also set it manually. There are all kinds of settings in it here. And of course, what you will see on the screen depends on what app you actually choose. I mean, this is basically like a mirror, or I mean, Android Auto is more or less a mirror to your phone for selected apps, just like Apple CarPlay, which I don't know at all and I cannot tell you anything about, but it works as well. So at the moment you see all the information for navigation. So mostly it is probably used for navigation. I mean, you can use it for music and things like that. And watch a video, I don't know if that is actually supported, but they say so. You can insert a TF card here on the side. And I don't know if you can really watch a video, but that would be kind of foolish, to be honest. So there's some advantages. I tested actually a previous model, which I personally selected, which had a smaller screen. I think it was called 5-inch screen, but it was longer, long like this, but 5-inch tall or something. I don't know. No, 5-inch wide, I guess. And but you know, the connection to the bike was kind of tedious. Well, not really tedious, but the other problem which I thought I had with it was that every time you go and stop somewhere, you want to take it off, you know, and you're maybe afraid that someone will steal it. But of course, if you tighten it, and nobody will really steal it unless, you know, they have really big intentions. This one here has this fairly easy dismountable mount, and it is pretty nice because you have a little key, and I will show this to you later. You have a key and you just stick it in, there in the rear, and it's like a BMW connection there actually, and you take the whole system off, and that is pretty neat, and I like that much better than the one that they had before. I mean, I would probably not take it off when I'm at a gas station or so. That would be too much effort still, but you know, for longer, if you stay at a hotel or something overnight and you want to take it off, it only takes, you just insert the key into the hole. I'm gonna park here for a second. Yeah, as I said, there are two methods to install this. One is with the two ball heads basically, and then it sticks up a little bit further, but there's also a mount which goes directly onto your handlebar. But for me, I think I don't have any space here, and so that's why I selected this mounting method, and I think this is better for me. And I'm surprised. I mean, I didn't really want to have a 7-inch screen here in front of me, but I'm a little bit surprised that I can still see my other display, and that it fits in quite nicely. I mean, you just have to put the cables around, you know, somehow, but it is actually not bad. I like it, how I can see everything. Of course, if you had a different bike, maybe here with the bar, some, what is it, NX500 from Honda or so, you can put it nicely there. I would prefer that. I don't really like it on the handlebar where it goes left and right. I would prefer it there where it is stationary. But yeah, it is pretty nice actually while using it. So let's go to Google Maps, for example. Okay, let's go Google Maps here, and there we are. Okay, let's say, okay, we want to go to Malaga, to SK Motors. Let's do some advertisement for them. And then, you know, it will show me, now we're in Google Maps, so it's a little bit different. Of course, it might take a while before it, you know, and at some places we also have 3D buildings, and it handles everything quite nicely, I must say. And the other one was Waze. Let's see if we can get Waze started up here. Let's say we go there. And there we are, and that's what it looks like on Waze. We have two Bluetooth connections, so one connection we can do with a display actually, and we have one connection we can set up with our helmet headset if we have one. And then of course you can listen to all the instructions from Google Maps, or I mean most of the navigation, they have instructions. It also has Wi-Fi 5G, so it is fairly fast, connected to your phone, of course. Yeah, to sum it all up, oh, what is going on here? To sum it all up, a pretty nice display unit for navigation for at least three kinds of different navigation. It's pretty nice, and I can highly recommend it to you. We have a special price on this for you. Please check out my affiliate link with this in the description, or maybe even on the video. I don't know how I will do this. And yeah, you can save a lot if you order through me. And that's what I wanted to tell you for now. Thanks very much for watching. This is the Carpuride W702S with kind of a similar BMW mounting bracket, not identical but similar. There's also a mounting bracket available with a special adapter specifically for BMW, and you can actually use your thumb wheel, you know, which you have here on the left, to move around in the display. Pretty nice to navigate in the display. Yeah, that's pretty nice. Thanks very much for watching. This has been Alright Out. Take care. Bye bye.